What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? Welcome back. We are here again with another video on the John Deere. Got a new belt. The old belt ripped. Decided to just explode on me while I was mowing the lawn the other day, so that's very unfortunate. So today we're gonna have to drop the deck, get that off, and then put the new belt on, and hopefully we'll be good at that point. The engine still needs an oil change, and I think the valves probably should be checked. And then maybe we'll be okay. I don't know. It was running real good, and now it's still having some strange issues. I don't know if it's to do with the carburetors and the stuff that we found with the car being weird and missing O-rings and stuff like that, and I kind of just put some in there hoping that they were right. But either way, it's a tear apart situation. Now, if we look at this bad boy, trying to explain the process, and then I'm going to throw on a time lapse. There is this in the front. It's literally, I mean, I don't even need a time lapse really. You just pull this. Okay, I'm not doing it. There's a little butterfly clippy here. You can go ahead and you just go pull that bob, and then this pops out. And then there's one over here as well. Right there. So you pop that out, and then this comes off. And then there's one on the other side. Over here. And you're going to do the same thing as well, which is right there. So you bop that off. You bop the other one off. You bop that off. And then I think there was one more thing. I don't know if it's, no. Mine's a little bit different than Tristan's, it looks like. We had to take this off on Tristan's, but his was set up slightly different. So I don't know if we need to do that. Oh, there's one here. Okay. So you gotta take this off too. Bop, bop. I assume there's gonna be one on the other side too for that. So, couple cotter pins, whatever, and it'll drop down, pull it out, and get the new belt on. I don't know if I want to do it or not, but I might paint it while it's off. Not really sure. It might just be more of a winter project. Either way, let's get into it. Well, I was looking at the gas tank. Dude, look at that. Look at all that sediment and shit in there. That's, yeah, we're gonna have to clean it out. There's very much likely a possibility that we're just having issues because there's clogs in the gas and there's sediment in the gas that is causing issues. So that needs to come off and be cleaned. Obviously not right now, but quick tidbit, these are loose, very loose. No grease in this one, as you can hear. Very loud. This was finger loose, it tightened it. This, a little bit more grease, still loose. Brand new one. I think that's literally the only thing this dude replaced or fixed on this at all. The guy that Tristan bought it from, he said that he, repaired it and X, Y, and Z. He did not repair shit, which is probably why Tristan got it for so cheap, which is whatever. So, shout out Tristan, because I got it for cheap from him, so I can do the work to fix it. This was on backwards. Flip that around. This one's great, obviously. So, goal, try to tighten these maybe a little bit, see what happens, and try to grease them up as well. We should have the grease gun over there hiding, along with some grease. So, we'll do that, and then hopefully get the belt on, put it back on. It should be good to go. I mean, I don't know. We'll see what happens.
I'm not gonna lie, I greased them up, but you know what? I'm gonna actually grease them up more. Alright, so I tried to tighten these, didn't really go well, I'm not gonna lie. I don't have a socket big enough for the back size. That is American. I have metric, but obviously John Deere, it's American. It's not gonna be metric. Is what it is. They're not terrible. I'm gonna just leave it until the winter for now. I tried to put, as you can see, some grease in here. The problem is, I think those are like, they're clogged or something, because the grease is not going in, it's just rejecting it. So I gotta figure out how much these little things cost, maybe try to get some new ones. And yeah, we need 2 more, which isn't a big deal. I guess we don't really need it, but if I'm gonna do it, maybe. I gotta take them off anyways to strip and paint this. I'm gonna definitely strip and paint yellow, make it fresh again. But yeah, for the belt, let's get it from right here and try to get it on. This is what I looked up. It's supposed to be a 48-inch deck. It's supposed to be this guy. It looks pretty long. Oh my goodness. I still have the other one though, so we'll figure it out. Well, I guess the question is too, which way does this go? Does it matter? I don't think it matters. No, both sides look the same. Okay, let's leave it like this for now. So this goes around here, which goes around here, which then goes around here, which doesn't make much sense to me. Because that's supposed to go yeet, or wait. What am I missing? One second, let me check something. I think it might be this front piece, or yeah, because that goes all the way along back, which would mean this goes like that, which makes more sense. There we go. Okay, see, this is flat, which makes sense, and then this is ready to grip that. Apologize about that. We were making progress until we weren't. This goes like so. Maybe not. Maybe how am I supposed to get that into here? Somehow this needs to go in. Yeah. Am I supposed to just take it off? I guess I might have to take it off to put it on. Oh, fucking hell. Okay, 1 minute, man. Took this bad Jesse off, but brother, what do you know? It looks like right here, if we zoom in, it looks like right here, this gets hammered in, or on, to some degree, and this is like just rusted in. So that is not coming out. I'm gonna try to push it in. And this is how the other belt probably got ripped. I mean, I don't know. I mean, the other belt's probably never been changed either. Who knows? As you can see, that's pretty tight, dude. Pretty tight. I don't want to bend the metal. I don't want to fuck the belt up. I guess you can. Yeah. All right, 1 minute. This might be a two-handed operation. All right. So I did just kind of put this in here against the middle, bent it a little bit, got it in enough, and then boom, pushed it in. Good enough for me. Now get this on and get this going the right way.
Bada boom, bada bing. And we have a belt. That's it. Pretty chill. I don't know if it's supposed to rub against here, probably not, but that could also be part of the reason why it's all ripped up. But I guess that's just design. That's by design, I guess. I don't know. All right, put this back on, and then we gotta somehow get it on down here. After we get this back up there, dude, this is stupid. Alrighty, and as you can see, the belt is on, it's taut, it's not running against there, which is exactly what I was figuring it would do. We're all the way up front, we got that on, we got all these back in, pinned in, and yeah, I don't know. It's got a weird little offset going on, which might be why the other one was turned, specifically, but I don't know, you can see it's all in there. I raised this up so that this is a little bit more even. I think it needs to come up just a little bit more, but it's about 8 o'clock almost, so I'm gonna go ahead and start mowing the lawn, or at least try to mow the lawn before it gets dark. Hopefully it runs and drives. We still got a decent amount of gas in here from the looks of it. Again, it is pretty crusty in there, so yeah, in the winter it seems like we're gonna be taking everything apart. Wheels off, down to the frame, recoating everything. The frame looks decent. I don't think the frame really needs anything. It's more so like this. This needs to come off, get, you know, all the paint off, repaint it, make it look a little bit nice. Same with this. And the wheels, we need to get new, well, for the whole thing, we need to get new tires for the rims to give it a nice complete wheel. And yeah. Let's see if we're lucky when we get a running mower. Hell yeah, brother! Fucking busting, dude. Yeah. You know what? I'm going straight. It's like 30 minutes though. Yeah. Let's go.
Alright, baby, there she be in all their glory. Seems pretty good.
Cut the front lawn.
No problem. About 20 minutes, not even. And we're gonna try to do the back now. So she might be good. She was popping at me a little bit, but I definitely think we gotta check the valves.